this repair area that we've got, we actually caused ourselves. So while we were applying it, we had a big overlap section right here. So we went back, applied more chroma to it, kind of scrubbed it out with our roller and with the cut-in pad, but then I buffed it back off, and we shouldn't have done that. When you've got a heavy mark like that, and you've already gone past and you're onto some next sections, you can come back, apply some more chroma, but then we want to trick wipe that inward. By buffing it off, we took away too much color and left a big light spot where we had a big dark mark to start with. So what we're going to do is, again, we're going to soften the edges, and I may do that a little bit with the 120 grit that we finished the floor with. I'm going to chase some grain, but with it up on edge, just to really help blend out any of the hard edges that we've got. And they're not really too hard, they're soft, but I just want to make sure none of that shines through. Then we're going to apply more chroma to the middle, and then we're going to come back and do our trick wiping. So that's how we take our light spot, soften up those edges with our 120 grit that we had used to originally finish the floor, add some more product in there, making sure we're feathering, and typically we feather out, but it's also nice to get it thin and to feather it from the outside in, because again, that's how we want most of our repair to go. Dabbing off the excess, and then using, again, your dry rag to finish rubbing out whatever excess you may have around the outsides and rubbing that to the inside. Taking your little bit of trick wipe, make sure you have it dark enough where you want it on the inside. Everything blends a lot better now. And also know that when you first do a repair, right, so this is fresh chroma versus dried chroma, it's going to look different. Everything will catch up as it dries, look a lot more uniform. And then of course, when we put our sealer on, everything's going to blend in nicely as well. So that's how you do a large area repair with your Bona Chroma coloration system.